This 5-minute solution will show you how to add Snapchat based friend you accidentally removed or blocked. So if you deleted your best friend from your Snapchat friend list, don't worry, you can easily add your best friend again to your friend list. First of all, make sure to unblock your friend. Open your Snapchat app, tap your profile photo at the top left, settings at the top right, tap on blocked user, and from here make sure to unblock the user. And now open your Snapchat profile, scroll down and tap on add friends. All you have to do is just search for the account you accidentally removed or blocked. Now you want to add again, then tap on add, and this is how we can add Snapchat based friend accidentally removed or blocked. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 minute solution. See you in the next video.